I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we're going to discuss our company's kitting capabilities and the benefits that consistent kits have for those in the field and in the office. Onboarding new crew members or updating gear for an existing crew can be an absolute nightmare when it comes to ordering. You have to look through dozens of catalog pages or search all over the internet for what you need. Plus, there's always a concern of whether or not your gear is all compatible. But our gear experts have you covered. We've curated kits for all kinds of different purposes that not only make your job of buying a wide selection of equipment easier, but also save you money. While kitting can help you save time and money, it can also save lives. Kitting allows you to maintain consistent gear throughout your company, ensuring there's no confusion over how one piece of gear may differ from another. And in the event of an emergency such as a rescue, confusion over how the equipment works or who has what can mean the difference between life and death. So consistency is key. We offer a huge selection of kits for tower technicians, rescue, PPE, tools, and even lifting and rigging. You name it, we've got a kit for it. Some of our clients have even gone so far as to create a kit part number for an all-new crew. These clients have distilled more than 250 individual components into just a couple lines of an order, all while assuring that everyone in the field is using the same gear. This is a game changer for health and safety departments seeking consistency and compatibility, procurement departments seeking streamlined purchasing processes, and operations staff that can work with us to ensure the gear they need is in a warehouse closest to them. We even have different levels within each kit type. For instance, if you're on a tighter budget and just need the bare essentials, we have a kit that can accommodate that. Or if you want to treat your crew with premium gear, we have a kit for that. Furthermore, each kit has upgrade options, in case you're wanting to splurge on just a few items, like helmets or positioning lanyards. As you evaluate the kits you see online, don't feel like our capabilities stop there. We can kit virtually any combination of gear you need. Just give our gear experts a call and we can work with you to get exactly what you need, whether it's for one person, one crew, or your whole company. Buying in kits just makes sense. It's cheaper, easier, faster, and safer. And we've streamlined that process for your convenience. So check out our kit options for any application, or build your own kit with our gear experts at gmesupply.com. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and follow us on all social media channels. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, a show dedicated to at-height industry and construction. Find it at gearexperts.com.